show you yet another creative way we can use ChatGPT to make money online. And the way that I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT to create a bot that'll literally make an affiliate marketing strategy a piece of cake. Now, the way that affiliate marketing works is simple. You have a product, and then you have the maker of that product willing to pay people that are bringing them sales a percentage of the sale, and people make a living doing that. Now, while typically people with bigger audiences will excel in this because it is a numbers game as far as how many people click your link, there is a strategy that I've seen where people make thousands doing this same thing. So let's jump right on the computer. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna show you two strategies, and we're gonna use ChatGPT to build these bots, and bro, it's gonna be crazy. So make sure you watch this to the end. But first of all, once again, I kind of explained the concept in the last segment, right? When you're affiliate marketing, right? Like you see the definition here, you earn commissions on sales, right? And most of the time, people like me, YouTubers, people with an audience, mostly influencers, not even just YouTubers, TikTok people, anybody who has attention, who has an audience, definitely can benefit from affiliate marketing, right? But I got hip to a strategy that didn't require you to have an audience, right? Because with anything you do that maybe requires an audience versus doesn't, I always at least think of it like, well, if I don't have the audience, then the reverse of that is I'm gonna go to where the audience already is, right? And so that leads us to Amazon right now. And here's why I say Amazon, right? Because Amazon affiliates, there's no charge to apply. There's no charge or like a minimum quota that you have to meet. To put that in perspective, a lot of affiliate programs, like I would have to submit my YouTube page, and honestly, with over 100K subscribers, I usually can pass and get into most affiliate programs. But a lot of affiliate programs don't just accept everybody, right? So that's something you got to keep in mind. But with Amazon, they do, right? And here's the beauty about that. You see the variety of products, right? If you can sell any of this stuff, like through a link, you're gonna get a commission on it. Now, you don't just want to blindly do that, right? You want to have a strategy, and here's where ChatGPT comes into play. Because ultimately, like, we're gonna take a look at this Facebook group, right? And this is called best-selling books on Amazon. The people that are posting these books, if they're posting links, are flat out getting a commission. Now, here's where we get creative right here. Here's where we use our brain to use ChatGPT to help us, right? As of me recording this video, it's the 27th of February. So these are all books that are coming soon, right? Like there's a coming soon section of Amazon for books, for movies, and things like that, right? And so I actually got hip to this strategy from somebody that I know, and they pretty much said, hey, if you're the first to post these links in groups that are like waiting on this, then you can make some money, then you can make some commissions, right? And imagine if you could do this all the time, but that's the problem. We can't do this all the time. So what we can do is have ChatGPT create a bot that does it for us, right? So we're gonna open ChatGPT, and so we're gonna ask it, can you help me create a Python script that scrapes Amazon for a specific product and notifies me via alert when the item is live? Boom. And so it actually gave me all the steps, right? Gave me the code, and this code would need to be tweaked, right? Because you would need your account email. You would need to put your accounts in here. You would need to replace this URL. All right. So now it built us the dummy code, and it's going to print the product is available or the product is not available, right? So we would come over here, maybe find this product, right? And I'm gonna grab this product ID, then I'm gonna take it into my code, I'm gonna save it, and then I'm gonna run my code, and then it prints it out to us. Boom, the product is not available yet, right? You could also alter this code to make it maybe run every 5 minutes, or make it run every 7 minutes, or whatever the case may be. So that's one strategy, right? You would get, once it's available, you would take that link, you would go in a group like this and say, hey, this book is now available, go get it here, right? It's a bestseller, and you might maybe find different communities, right, that are looking for different books, right? There's a lot of different books that are coming out, right? And here's the cool part, all different departments have it, right? It could be a TV that's coming soon, or whatever electronics that are coming soon. March 6th, if you're one of the first people on the internet with this link, on Twitter, on everywhere, hey, Amazon or Samsung just dropped this new TV, it's available, then you can do that, right? So I'm gonna show you another way, right? Because I've told you about the world of couponing and just Amazon freebies and Amazon deals, right? Well, there's these same type of Facebook groups for deals and discounts. Right now, this person, boom, is making a commission off of every single one of these links that you see, right? And you see there's a bunch of active members, right? So if he has a product that's hot enough, people, or there's a good enough deal, people are going and clicking this link and going. Some people aren't commenting, they're just going right to this link. There's 78,000 members, right? So I'm gonna tell you how to make a bot to do this, right? And when I first researched this, I was like, you know, this is gonna be a little bit more complicated for the average person, but I kind of thought a way around it, and I'm gonna walk through it here, right? So pretty much on Amazon, if you wanted to, like, because ultimately what you would be doing and what we're gonna do is create a bot that crawls Amazon and says, hey, when the price of, let's say, whatever item, let's say this, when this goes down by 50%, then boom, send me an alert, right? Because it's extremely discounted. So typically you would need to get an API. That's kind of hardcore development if you ask me, and the average person couldn't do that. But the average person, what I've learned from using ChatGPT is that with Python code and scraping pages, you can have ChatGPT break down elements of a page, which is what I did by going and hitting right click, finding these elements and monitoring them, whether it's grabbing them or whatever, right? So I'm gonna come to ChatGPT because ultimately I want to create a bot that's gonna tell me when that number drops, right? So I'm going to come to ChatGPT and I'm going to open a new chat. So I asked it, is it possible to use Python to scrape a specific link and grab the elements of a page by class? And if that's a number, notify me by printing out in terminal if the current number is even lower than it was originally. I also want to print out if the number has decreased or stayed the same, right? So of course it's telling me how to do that. It gave me the code, but I want to specify because I want to let it know that it's Amazon, and I'm actually going to give it the link, and I'm going to give it the class that we're targeting, right? The class that we're targeting is going to be A-off screen, right? And so I'm going to copy this exactly how it is and put it in ChatGPT. And I'm going to put it in quotations here so it's just clear. I'm going to give it the Amazon link. All right, and so boom, after wrestling with this thing for a while, we pretty much have a script that'll basically comb this website, right? And it's going to comb it every 5 seconds, right? So this is what happens when you run it. All right, so boom, we have our code here. It's pretty much going to monitor that page and tell us. So when we run that, and then boom, it lets us know that it's monitoring every 5 minutes for a drop from 169, right? So once it notifies you, you would come grab that link, and then boom, you would throw it in here and rack up just hundreds of dollars a day doing this, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Rico gang, I'm out. Let's get it. Hey, what up, man? It's your boy Rico. If you want to learn how to do different side hustles, how to make money online, then follow me on YouTube for more. Let's get it.